decimating my vegetables, like really. So my zucchini's still doing good. My pumpkins are doing good. But y'all, this like is crazy. So anyway, I'm harvesting some potatoes today and some onions today, and I thought you guys could come along with me. So come along with me while I am completely sweating and shook that something is, first of all, something's eating the leaves of my cucumber. That's a whole nother thing. But this heat, it's making everything mad. So anyway, I'm okay. I'm okay. You guys come with me as we harvest some potatoes. Let's go. So far, I've harvested these, and now I'm digging to see if there's any more. Hey, the potatoes. As you all see, I am not the most amazing potato grower, but my grandparents used to grow the most amazing potatoes. So I'm gonna keep trying until I master growing potatoes. I'm making progress. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So I pulled up the plants a few days ago, but did not harvest the potatoes because I wanted us to harvest them together. So far we made some progress. Look guys. So I grew red potatoes and purple potatoes. Let's see. Oh my goodness, more potatoes. So what does this mean? That means I will not be going to shop for potatoes at the grocery store for a few weeks because look at these baby potatoes. Let's see what else we got down here. These potatoes didn't grow real big, but they grew. That's all that matters. More. They're getting bigger the deeper I get. Here's another one. Hey. Always in the way. So you guys, I've already harvested some potatoes. Now we're gonna harvest just a few of these onions, the tops that have tilted over, and they're sitting on top of the ground, so I think that means they're ready to come on out. So anyway, come on, let's go. Only a few are ready, but I know they're ready because now they're sitting on top of the ground. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull at least 4 or 5 onions and maybe even some garlic that the tops have tilted over. So anyway. Wow, look at my garlic heads. Look you guys, I got our first garlic. Oh my goodness, I'm so thrilled. Look at that big basket of potatoes. I'm so thrilled. That was truly a serious workout, you guys. I came home from work today. I was successful in harvesting my potatoes. I also harvested some of these yummy purple green beans. Didn't get a lot of them, but I got enough to make a small batch for my family. And they're really cool because they're purple on the outside, but when you pop them, they're normal green on the inside. They are incredible. And I just gotta show y'all how many potatoes I harvested. Like, I'm so happy right now. My grandparents grew potatoes, and they would grow the biggest potatoes and a lot. They would grow rows and rows of potatoes, but that's not necessarily my ministry. So I am learning how to grow bigger potatoes and more potatoes. And this year was a little interesting because I wanted to try something different. So I tried these beautiful purple potatoes, and then I decided to grow these amazing regular red potatoes. And I am so thrilled. Want to see how many we got? Oh my goodness, you're gonna love it. Look, we got so many potatoes. So now I can take these potatoes in the house, put them in a garbage, like a paper bag, and put them in a nice cool place, and they should last me a while. I am so thrilled. I do not have to go potato shopping because why? I just grew some. Now, how much did these potatoes cost me to grow? Well, I went to the feed store and got a few feeder potatoes. It was like $2.50. Anyway, that investment got me what? All of these yummy potatoes. So, also what I harvested today was onions. Look at this bad boy. Isn't he amazing? And I harvested him and him. And this guy kind of doubled up, but he just wanted to come out of the ground. So all of these guys were sitting on top. So I harvested those, so they will go, I will tie them up, and they will cure for a few weeks. And I also harvested some garlic. I am so thrilled. This is the first time that I am successfully growing garlic, so I am beyond thrilled. So I will tie these bad boys up and let these guys cure as well. And once they cure, I've got garlic. I am so thrilled. So as much as I ran out here today just so that I don't have overgrowth in the garden, and I like to check for pests, and but I do like to stay out of the heat. But what I'm gonna do is, I guess, go ahead and get in the house so I can go ahead and prep all the stuff that I harvested. I am beyond thrilled. Thank you for joining me on this potato, garlic, purple green bean, and green tomatoes harvest. Thank you guys for joining me. See you soon. And guess what? You can do it too. Now let me get out of these sweaty clothes. Bye.
Well, we're not going to stop there. I thought it would be great if you guys could come in with me and let's make some yummy roasted potatoes. One of my faves.
Hold on. Yes, please. Look at these amazing purple potatoes, you guys. Love them, love them. Oh my gosh. Dive into it. Purple and red roasted potatoes. Fresh out of the garden. It's that simple, y'all. Oh my gosh. You can do it too. See that? Yum, yum.